Hey guys, I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We are saving the world here, one trailer at a time. I thought we'd do something a little different today. Today I have a couple of reflection fifth wheels with the turning point hitch here. And one is set up, it's a previously owned model, and then one's a new trailer that hasn't been set up yet. So I thought we'd just go through how these work. This is not how to set it up, it's more just a video on how it operates, so you guys can kind of review that. You should have a trailer technician, a mechanic of some kind actually set this hitch up for you, but just so you can understand what's actually going on. Right now, so the idea with a standard fifth wheel hitch, which is what this is set up as right now, is you have your hitch that comes in, latches around here, and then when you're turning, your truck, like me, is turning on this pin through here. Okay, that's your typical pivot point when you're hooked up to a fifth wheel hitch. Why we have a pivoting hitch is on when you have a short bed box. Often when your truck is turning like this, your truck window will actually bounce off the front corner of the fifth wheel. So what we've done, or what they're doing, is they're moving the pivot point further back so that you can make those tighter turns go full 90 degrees with a 5.5 foot box or a 6.5 foot box. So what actually happens is this wedge right here comes unbolted, okay, and bolts in underneath here. What happens then is that locks the fifth wheel in the truck in place. It can't pivot here anymore, but it needs to pivot somewhere because you have to be able to turn, right? So how this turns then is there's two bolts right here. All right, these bolts come out, and instead of the fifth wheel pivoting on the front pin, it's going to pivot right here. Okay, so let's walk over to the one that's already been set up. You can see what I'm talking about. So this one is, instead of pivoting here, it's actually pivoting here at the front. So this takes a little bit of force, but you can see what's actually going on. Okay? Now, this one already has a wedge bolted here, okay? Not allowing the fifth wheel hitch to rotate on the pin here. But we've taken out these bolts back here. So remember these two bolts we saw on the previous trailer? They're missing, right? They're out to allow for this to pivot. All right. Okay, there we go. Now, quick note. The trailer comes with a standard wedge. That standard wedge, though, does not work on every single fifth wheel hitch. This customer that traded this in has a different style wedge, maybe for a Kurt hitch or an off-brand hitch or something like that. So just because there's one wedge provided does not mean it's going to work on every single fifth wheel hitch. Quick note, this is also how the Reese Revolution works, how the Reese Sidewinder works, how the Morride Orbital hitch works, all the same kind of idea. This is the Lippert brand called the Turning Point. Hope that helps. A lot of people have a hard time understanding what's actually going on there, so I hope now that you see this actually operating and turning here, you get the idea. Right on, guys. If you have any questions, you can email us here at sales@layzeeacres.com, or you can call us at 705-833-2539. If you guys like the video, I know it was simple, like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this. Have yourself a good day.